after about a minute and a half. And the car's ready to go, and you won't hear it again until you have another cold start. But the problem is the secondary air injection pump. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch wrench, 1/4 inch extension, and a 10mm socket. And I use this one to get out the 2 screws that are on this side. I also have this little tray here. It's pretty nice. It's magnetic. Anyway, let me show you what spots I pulled this from just now. I pulled those 2 screws out of right here. One here. There. See something. If you decide to completely pull this off, you'll need to disconnect this wiring harness here. And on the side of it, you're going to press both sides. And it's going to click. It'll literally make a clicking sound. And you'll be able to pull it after that. Now that we have the old one off, of course. Sorry, until you hook it back to the car. So first, just attach all of these little bolts. And here's the last one. They make them like this, I would suppose, because this does have a little play in the middle because it's rubber. And of course they dry rot, and that's what happened to mine. Here's mine, it broke. But I guess it does this because of the amount of movement this air injection pump makes. And so it allows it to vibrate, I guess. So if it does have a difference in length, I would say to make sure you put the longer one up here, just because you have this whole entire area to screw that into. And screwed these right on, bolted it right on. You can actually take this part of it off. Let me show you really quick. It's going to be a Phillips screwdriver you're going to need. This actually hooks in here, and there. Line it up, put that Phillips back in there, Phillips screw. So now we got it through, we're going to go ahead and put the nut on there. Tight. It's on. It's good. Gasket's back on. Now you're going to see here we have the plug. I'm going to get that plugged up. Plug back in here. Heard the little click, so we know he's hooked up. Put back down. I'll give you a better view in a minute. Give me a second to hook all these. I just screwed these ones in here. This one in. This one in. Tighten it. This one in, tighten it. And of course, put things on. If you're lucky, it's usually the reverse of what you did to take it off. So use regular screwdriver. tighten this little clamp back up. It's good. Now, as I was saying how those screws, they're rubbery, so this moves.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Thank you.